In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve issues when email attachments disappear when sending in Outlook. If you've ever added a file, hit send, and later discovered the attachment is missing, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you quickly pinpoint the cause and fix it. First, refresh Outlook to force a clean sync. Fully close the desktop app, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This simple step clears minor glitches between your computer and the mail server. After reopening, check sent items and, if needed, the outbox or drafts to confirm whether the message updated correctly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while you do this. Next, sign into Outlook on the web and look at the same message there. If the attachment shows up online, that's a strong sign the issue is with the desktop application rather than your account or the server. If the attachment is missing both on the desktop and on the web, the problem is more likely related to formatting or security, which we'll address shortly. On the desktop app, review your attachment preview settings. Go to File, then Options, then Trust Center, open Trust Center settings, and choose Attachment Handling. Ensure Turn off attachment preview is not checked. When preview is disabled, Outlook can sometimes behave unpredictably with how attachments appear in compose and sent messages. After adjusting, close and reopen Outlook to apply the change. If the issue persists, temporarily disable add-ins to rule out conflicts. Go to File, Options Add-ins, and next to COM Add-ins, click Go. Uncheck all add-ins, save, and test by composing a new email with a small attachment. If the attachment stays, re-enable your add-ins one at a time, testing after each until you identify the culprit. Common offenders can include security, PDF, or CRM integrations. If you're using Outlook in a browser and attachments vanish or fail to load, clear your browser cache and cookies, then sign back in. Also confirm the file type and size. Some organizations block certain extensions or very large attachments, and some security tools strip risky files. If needed, compress the file or share it via a cloud link. Finally, check the message format. Emails sent in rich text format can convert attachments into winmail.dat or cause them not to display. Switch to HTML or plain text and resend, or ask the sender to do the same. Follow these steps in order. Refresh, check the web app, adjust Trust Center, disable add-ins, clear cache, and verify file types, and switch out of rich text, and your attachments should reliably arrive with your emails.